Hello friends, welcome to the Law Cafe channel. So, are judges protected in India? In this video, you will be seeing the views given by few notable jurists regarding the scope of protection that should be provided for judges in India. So let's get started. The Supreme Court on Friday said that the central agencies such as the Central Bureau of Investigation, the Intelligence Bureau, and state police forces chose to ignore complaints from judges about abusive messages and threats even as attacks on the judiciary were on the rise. The court suggested the formation of a special force to protect judges, especially trial judges who decide criminal cases involving high-profile accused.
We have seen that in criminal cases involving high-profile people, there is a new trend of maligning judges. There is no freedom for judges to work. The CBI, the police, the IB do not help the judiciary. I am making this statement with some sense of responsibility. In several cases across the country involving gangsters, high-profile and powerful accused, they threaten judges not just physically but also mentally through abusive messages, peeping into judge online accounts, etc. We are very sorry to say that the CBI did not do anything about the complaints made to it. There is no still any change in the attitude of CBI. The judge's death was a result of Jharkhand government's negligence to protect its judge. The state government chose to ignore threats to judges like Mr. Anand, who was working in Dhanbad district where the powerful coal mafia regions. A young judge lost his life because of the negligence of Jharkhand government, adding upon there should be some security measures such as the creation of a special force similar to the railway police force to protect judges. An environment should be created so that judges can work without fear.
Attorney General K.K. Venugopal, who was asked to assist the court, shared an incident. Magistrate who was threatened on the eve of taking up a case against some gangsters. His daughter's life was threatened. So, given a chance between his daughter's life and doing justice, he adjourned the case. Judges as a class are more vulnerable, say, than bureaucrats.
The court asked whether Jharkhand had washed its hands of any responsibility of investigating the daylight murder of Jharkhand Judge Uttam Anand by transferring the case to the CBI. The Jharkhand police on Thursday arrested two persons, including the driver of the auto rickshaw. They deliberately knocked down fatally Uttam Anand, additional sessions judge of Dhanbad, on Wednesday morning. The incident happened when he was jogging on an empty road about 500 meters away from his official residence. A passerby took him to a hospital, but he was declared broad dead. The judge was hearing two high-profile murder cases and one pertaining to illegal coal transportation. Initially, it was thought to be a hit-and-run case. The court asked whether Jharkhand had washed its hands of any responsibility of investigating the daylight murder of Jharkhand Judge Uttam Anand by transferring the case to the CBI. The Jharkhand police on Thursday arrested two persons, including the driver of the auto rickshaw. They deliberately knocked down fatally Uttam Anand, additional sessions judge of Dhanbad, on Wednesday morning. The incident.
Justice Suryakant asked Jharkhand Advocate General Rajiv Ranjan. The court pooh-poohed Jharkhand's claim that it had built boundary walls against judges' colonies. And you think boundary walls will keep away hardened criminals?
To conclude, Mr. Venugopal said that the frequent attack on judges, including judges of the high courts, highlighted the need for the formation of a special body to protect the judiciary and ascertain the danger to them. The Supreme Court asked the central and the state governments to file status reports on the kind of security provided to subordinate and high court judiciary. Thank you for watching this video, and for more informative videos, do visit the Law Cafe channel and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.